What? What? I was aiming for a 2. I thought I got a 3. Good girl. Ooh. I thought we were gonna run into the fence. Thought I was gonna die.
That's really cool.
Kalia, you're in it. Lilith is too. Yeah. That's only people here that are in
That's
it.
fun. I like it. I would have loved that when I was a teenager.
I'm asking for one for Christmas because I do.
Oh, good boy.
I do horseback riding.
Oh gosh, yeah.
What?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Hello.
Oh, what?
We were supposed to jump it. We're supposed to. Go. Okie hokey. I'm loose. I literally did your stuff so loose. Thank you for letting me ride him. I made your stirrups short. I'll take them back out. It's because I'm so short. What? Okay. You might just want to walk him a little bit because he needs a little more of a cool out. You know what? Yeah, just go. Oh wait, I forgot to turn my video off. Your crop is on the ground. I accidentally dropped it. Baby. Outside. No. No, we're not gonna canter. We're not gonna canter. No, no, no. Whoa. I said we're not. I said we're not. Good girl. Whoopa. Whoopa, whoopa. Guys. Nothing happened. What happened? Yep, perfectly fine. Totally didn't just slip. Yep, perfectly fine.